Hey, future Lions. I'm Mr. Phillips. I'm the principal of Mitford School, and I'm really excited to be welcoming you here in the fall. Looking forward to meeting you.
Hello, future Lions. My name is Mrs. Story. I'm the assistant principal at Mitford School, and we're so excited to welcome you, and we look forward to meeting you next year. Mr. Phillips and I are standing in front of our school's motto, which is at Mitford School, we care, connect, belong, and grow together. We really look forward to welcoming you in the fall.
See you real soon, folks.
Hello, new students of Mitford. My name is Trinity Armitage.
And I'm Caleb Holman. We are grade 8 students. We are currently in the Mitford School Learning Commons.
And right over there you can see the Learning Commons facilitator, Miss Christensen, who does an amazing job. And in here you can read thousands of books with tons of different topics. Welcome to the Mitford office. In this room is Miss Clark. She is our learning support teacher who is here to help you with any academic things that you might be struggling on or just need a little bit of support with.
This is Miss Knox, one of our school secretarians. And this is Ms. Dietz, another one of our school secretarians. They're both awesome.
Welcome to the Lion's Den. It is a huge area of space and we can fit our entire school in.
We have a double-sized gym with a messing room.
Which we all have like sporting events and stuff that we come here to watch, and we sit on that and we do a lot of house team activities, which we'll tell you guys more about later.
We'll get there. Here we have one of our grade 6 classes.
Hello.
Hi! Welcome to Mitford.
Now we are here outside of our typical grade 7 class.
They're busy learning currently, but we're gonna go say hi to them right now. This is our typical grade 8 classroom. Everyone say Welcome to the learning support room.
Here we have a room that focuses on academic support and help, just in case you're
You can come in here for help from any of the teachers that are in here right now.
Here we have our reboot room. This is where we do activities, club and stuff. You can also take a break here if you just want to chill and need a break from school.
A few of the clubs that come and meet in here are the Bethany program, which come in here once a week, and we do little crafts and stuff for the seniors in the seniors home near our school. There's also LGBTQ plus community groups that come in here and meet here once a week as well. So you can, if you're interested in joining any of those groups and those options are open to you, feel free to join them.
This is Miss McManus.
She is our school CDA and she's here to help you with anything you might have going on at school or at home, and she'll always be willing to talk.
She's the best.
Hi, welcome to Mitford School. We look forward to having you.
We're currently here in the band room, which is an awesome opportunity for you to join. And these are our grade 8 band players.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Welcome to Mitford School. I'm Mr. Rowan. This is the fabrication lab, and we even have our own laser cutter.
Here we have the birding, and leather birding. And Kaylin here is doing string art.
And in here we have the tinkering lab where we do 3D printing, vinyl cutting, and lots of different creative things.
No, because look, it's all that. It has to do all the details on the other side now. Put it 10 inches.
All right.
Times 2 gold.
Here we have our house teams. Red foxes, white wolves, black ravens, and yellow grizzlies. Each student represents a small part of the team.
And every student gets a house that they belong to and grow with. And obviously black ravens are better than everyone else, but that's a different.
She is lying.
Over here we have our Pride Week that we organized this year, which was a new event, and we celebrated everyone in that community. That's how open we are to everybody here. And here are our community helpers, and all of these are people that are with leadership that help throughout the school and make a great impact on our community.
Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour.
We're excited to see you next year.